other plants. And if you're an apple, you have something to worry about. Hi friends, welcome to Jurassic Park. This is Sahara. She's one of our baby Triceratops. Now, she's probably a much more gentle than some of the raptors you were probably running from in the VelociCoaster. This is Dr. Sunny Geller, one of our top paleo veterinarians. We've been with Sahara since she was born. Sahara has a twin sister named Sierra. It's hard to keep them separate. Yeah. Now Sierra's about 40 pounds. Sahara's about 35. She's getting there. She's going to be about 22,000 pounds when she's fully grown, though. Oh yeah. She likes being scratched right behind her frill here. Don't worry, she's an herbivore. She's harmless. She's much more harmless than some of the dinosaurs that you just saw in the VelociCoaster. We hope you guys have a wonderful time out there. Now, she will be over 22,000 pounds in just 3 years. Well, careful with those horns there. They're very sore. They're just poking through. Yeah, this nose protrusion actually just poked through about last week, so they are very sore and sensitive. Hi. Absolutely. Hold your hand out flat. Put it right underneath your chin there. There you go. Good job. Good job. Good girl. Now, Sahara's been with us for about 2.5 months. Me and Dr. Geller here have been working with her since she was. Now, she will be over 22,000 pounds in just 3 years. It's really big. It's about the size of a bus. And you guys are more than welcome to come up and get interaction with her. You want to make sure she's used to all the social interaction she can have while she's out here in the park. All the external stimuli she will be exposed to when we get her on that river adventure tour. Right. Now folks, Jurassic Park is a biogenetic engineered preserve of sorts, so all of our animals here are biogenetically grown here in-house at our Discovery Center. Sahara was hatched there about 2.5 months ago. And we do have live hatchings throughout the day. We definitely want you to check that out when you get the chance. Now, my name is Dr. Riley. I've been with this little girl for the last 2.5 months.